How can I check for Python version in a program that uses new language features? If I have a Python script that requires at least a particular version of Python, what is the correct way to fail gracefully when an earlier version of Python is used to launch the script? How do I get control early enough to issue an error message and exit? For example, I have a program that uses the ternary operator, new in 2.5, and with blocks, new in 2.6. I wrote a simple little interpreter version checker routine which is the first thing the script would call, except it doesn't get that far. Instead, the script fails during Python compilation, before my routines are even called. Thus the user of the script sees some very obscure syntax error tracebacks, which pretty much require an expert to deduce that it is simply the case of running the wrong version of Python. I know how to check the version of Python. The issue is that some syntax is illegal in older versions of Python. Consider this program. When run under 2.4, I want this result. And not this result. Channeling for a coworker.
You can test using eval. Also, with is available in Python 2.5, just add from _future _import with _ statement. Edit, to get control early enough, you could split it into different .py files and check compatibility in the main file before importing, for example in _init .py in a package.
Have a wrapper around your program that does the following. You can also consider using sys.version, if you plan to encounter people who are using pre-2.0 Python interpreters, but then you have some regular expressions to do. And there might be more elegant ways to do this.
Try should give you a string like 2.3.1. If this is not exactly what you want, there is a rich set of data available through the platform built-in. What you want should be in there somewhere.
Probably the best way to do this version comparison is to use the sys.hex version. This is important because comparing version tuples will not give you the desired result in all Python versions.
If you want to simulate, press on figure 6 skriving.